What's up, YouTube? We're back on the bike. We're going on a ride. Actually going on a night ride tonight.
At night.
FCAR, First Coast Adventure Riders, is putting on, I don't know if it's an annual ride or what, but they're putting on a night ride at Osceola National Forest, and I might be butchering the way you say that name. I don't know. I think that's how you say it, but the forest is like 20-ish minutes away from where we're at right now. So I figured, why not go on a little ride? So it's like 50-mile loop they put on, so nothing too crazy. But I'm gonna go on a night ride and then see what happens. So stay tuned. So riding at night is actually nice in Florida because it's the only time of the day that's not crazy hot unless you go early in the morning. I'm not a huge morning person, so this is nice. I like this. And night rides always offer a little bit more of an adventure of some sort. You never know what you're gonna run into, and I don't know, it's just fun. So I'm excited to ride with another group of people, and it's more of a dual sport ride. We're probably gonna be doing more forest roads and whatnot. You know, it's in the national forest, so I don't know, we'll see what we get into.
Night, 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 night.
So my cam chain tensioner on my bike started giving me trouble like a couple weeks ago. It just like wasn't keeping tension on the bike once it got hot. It was weird. I would start hearing the chain slapping and the engine was just really noisy. So I ordered a manual cam tensioner and went to install it myself, and then somehow got my bike out of time when I was installing it. So I actually had to pull the valve cover off, get my back in time, make sure I didn't mess the bike up when I tried starting it before, like a dummy. And it seems like it's been running good now. I had to tighten it up a little bit more, like twice. I don't know if I just haven't been tightening it up enough. Fingers crossed I didn't stretch the cam chain too much when it was really loose and I had to ride it home from work. If that's the situation, then I'll have to get in there or get someone else to get in there for me and put a new cam chain in. But, you know, we'll see. If that's the case, it's not the end of the world. It just kind of sucks, but as long as I keep that engine in time so I don't do major engine damage again, it would totally be my fault if it was, because it'd be something I did wrong. So no one to blame but myself. Motor sounds good. No cam chain slap. That's what we're looking for. Alright, looks like we're here. See how many bikes we got. I think on Facebook it said like 22 people or something were going. There's definitely people. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got some people here. We just had a little riders meeting. We're starting to ride. I'm excited. So I said it's gonna be a chill ride because, you know, it's gonna be nighttime. Don't want to get anybody hurt, and it's actually super dry. This place is usually known for being flooded and wet, but we got pretty dry conditions. But yeah, we'll see what we get into, and I'm hoping that the camera quality is good where it's gonna be nighttime. But riding with a lot of bikes, so there should be a decent amount of light. It'll be fun. But it's nice and cool, it's not hot. I'm excited, it's gonna be fun. Okay, reflector. Group's about 55 miles, he said, somewhere around there. All off-road, I'm pretty sure. This dude's blinker's gonna be on all night. So we got a nice group of bikes with us, about 20 or so people. Got everything from, you know, 250s. I think I'm the only WR, but there's a CRF 250L. We got Tenaires 700s, big KTMs, 450Ls, some TW200s. One dude's on a Sherco 250, 2-stroke. I don't know if he's got a plate on it or not, but he's with us. But yeah, cool to see all the bikes of different sizes and stuff. This is a good safe pace. This is good. But if I was with like just other people riding, I'd be balls out right now, hauling ass. So we split up into groups of like 5 or 6, just to keep the dust out where it's so dry. So that's nice. That was smart. I just want to let this thing eat. Hear that pipe. Man, this reminds me of that night ride me and Dusty did. I can't remember if I recorded it or not. If I did, the footage didn't turn out and I didn't do anything with it. But we just went riding all through behind his house. He's got a bunch of land behind his house. And yeah. I got so stuck in a mud hole, like it was bad. I was covered in water and mud, and the bike was damn near swamped out. It was bad. It was fun though, very memorable. We were out till like 2 in the morning, just riding down the road, exploring trails. It's good times. And just like that, in the middle of the woods, you got people. Funny. At night. We going riding at night. Of course, they're on 4-wheelers. They're not supposed to be here, I don't think. We made it to East Tower. I believe is what the area is called. Got some people camping. Cool. We're gonna shine our lights right in their tent.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
Just my headlight down. This sits at the tree line. One of the holes over. I was wiped out in one of the holes. I got all cattywampus. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, I followed your line. It did the same thing to me. I know exactly what you're talking about. It had a nice rut in it that like kicked it to the side. Mike's on. Alright, I guess we're off. And my cable's a little short for my GoPro charger. And we're off. Took a little break at whatever tower we're on. That thing is leaking oil out the freaking pipe like crazy. I wonder why. It smells good though. Oh, they do have a brake light. I'm pretty sure he's not street legal. I don't see a tag. I think he said F it. I doubt he'd have a problem though, because he's riding with like 20 other bikes that are tagged. Ah, man, I think I need one. I think I need a 2-stroke. Keep this for the dual sport stuff. Get that. Not necessarily a Sharko, but something. I could have like as an off-road river. It'd be fun. Well, looks like we're back. That was cool. Just a fun little cruise. Go ahead and turn this old bike around. You can see anything, so I'm by myself, but that was a fun ride. We just got back to camp, and a lot of guys are camping out. It looks fun, but I don't know, I didn't pack any camping stuff or anything like that, so, and I'm only like 20 miles from home, so I'll go back home. But thank FCAR for putting that on, and just making things like that available to join and come out and check out and ride. I look forward to trying out more, so we're just gonna ride home now and keep our eyes peeled for deer out in the woods, because we're in the middle of nowhere. They usually don't like to fight though, so yeah, if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe.